Namaskar. Hello, little learners. This is Disha ma'am, and we are going to learn English. Now, yesterday, what we did? Yes, we did the loud reading. I read the chapter number 6, that is Wit and Wisdom, for you guys. And what was yesterday's homework? The homework was again to read chapter number 6. I hope you all had done this homework, right? Now, today in this session, what will we do? We will be having a bit explanation of the chapter. Yesterday, as I read it, you might know that the chapter Wit and Wisdom, chapter number 6, it has been written in the form of a play, right? नाटक की तरह लिखा गया है. And today I'll be explaining scene number 1 and 2 along with some textual exercise. So are you guys ready? Okay, let us begin. Now, wit and wisdom. Wit, as I told you, what is it? Wit is the quick thinking a person does. Those who don't know who is Tenali Raman, सब टीवी में सीरियल आता है तेनाली रामन का. So that he is a character and a very thoughtful, intelligent character. So whenever you get time, please look at that show that comes on your TV, on Sub TV, right? And you will be knowing कि उनके बारे में क्या अच्छी qualities है और कैसे इंसान है वो, कैसे इंसान थे वो, right? This is just a character. Now coming to the exercise first. The old and mighty tree of wisdom has a task for you. The tree has 5 clues. In each one leads to a letter. Find out all 5 letters and write them in their respective boxes. Right, chaliye. So this letter is in ink but not in tank. Which letter is in ink and not in tank? It is the letter I. As you can see, I have written I. Next, this letter is in C but not in T. This letter is in C, S-E-A, but not in T, T-E-A. So which letter? Letter S. Yes. Now, third clue is this letter is in pen, P-E-N, pen, but not in pan, P-A-N, pen. So which letter is not in pen? This is E. So letter E. Next, this letter is in man but not in ant. This letter is in man, M-A-N, man. This is ant, A-N-T, ant. So A and N both are here. So this letter which is here is M, M. And last one, this letter is in dash but not in dash. So what is this picture telling you? Leg. It is telling you about leg, and this is egg. So which letter is missing? L. So the letters are that we have got, they are I, S, E, M, L. Right. Now unscramble the 5 letters to make a meaningful word and write it in the given space. इन सबको यूज करके कौन सा वर्ड बनेगा? चलो चलो सोचो. Very easy word. When I come into the class, I always have a dash on my face. What do I have? Yes, my little children, it is smile. So answer is S M I L E. Chalo, show me how you smile. Right? So this is the activity. Now turn to the next page. Phonics fun. S and Z sounds. Read the poem. Notice the sound of the letter S. There was an old man with a beard who said, "It is just as I feared. 2 mice and 2 hogs, 4 larks and 4 frogs have all built their nests in my beard. What is beard? Beard माने दाढ़ी. इतनी लंबी किसी की दाढ़ी नहीं होती. This is just for explanation. Now, as you can see, there are some letters where S is pronounced as S, and there are some letters where S is pronounced as Z. Was, is, as, hogs, frogs. उसमें if you notice तो Z का sound आया. The letter is S, but then the sound we spoke is Z. And here said, mice, larks, nests. उसमें the letter is S, but the sound is also S. So understood the difference between S and Z sound? Now come to the exercise. Read this poem and identify the words that have Z sound and the S sound. Highlight them using different colors. As I don't have crayons right now, I'll be highlighting one with pen and one with pencil. Right? चलिए. The wizard, हमको S वाले sound या Z वाले sound ढूंढने हैं, ठीक है? The Wizard of Oz had a super wand. Now super, this is S. So जो S sound है उसको मैं pencil से कर रही हूँ. Super, S, right? Wizard and Oz, they have Z, so obviously they have Z sound. So I will underline it with blue pen. Next, he could easily see further beyond. Easily see. So C has S sound and easily has Z sound. ये बहुत easy है. Once you will read, you will also find the sound. You have to keep your mind in your ears. The sound which is giving the word which is giving the sound S and the word which is giving the sound Z. Next, the misty mountains, the sandy beach. Misty, Z sound, S sound. Mountains, S sound. Sandy, S sound. The deserted desert, right? Deserted desert and valley each. So both the sounds are Z sound. The wand said an observant block. Observant is Z sound and said is S sound. Was just a big old telescope. So S, telescope, and was says the Z sound. Now let me read the poem for you. The Wizard of Oz had a super wand. He could easily see further beyond. The misty mountains, the sandy beach, the deserted desert and valley each. The wand said an observant block was just a big old telescope. Clear? Chali. Now come to the next page, that is page 83. Are you clear with the sounds over here? Okay. Now page number 83. Test your wit with these riddles. Now riddles माने पहेलियाँ. The answers have either the S or Z sounds. Write S in the bubble for the words with S sound and Z for the words in the Z sound. Now this would be, my dear children, it would be your homework. So take it and mark it as HW. आपको क्या करना है? You have to read this question और उसका answer आपको लिखना है. You see them over stale food, they can make you sick. Every board game needs it. It has numbers from 1 to 6. This staple food is white and grainy. It is served with lentils or some gravy. When you staple माने किसी प्रांत का खाया हो, कहीं जगह मिलता है वो. When you win a long race, you accept this with grace. Right? अगर आप सोचने बैठोगे, you will get all these 4 answers. Now after writing the answers over here in the blanks, what you will do, if the answers have S sound, then you will write here S, and if the answers have Z sound, you will write here Z. Clear? I'll be sharing the answers, so don't worry, but try to do it by yourself. Chaliye, this were the warm-up exercises. Now let us go to chapter That is on page number 85. Can you see this? Right. Read the play. Yesterday I explained you the characters. Tenali Raman, a court poet known for his wit. Mangamma, Tenali's wife. Thief 1, Thief 2 and City Guard. These are 5 characters जो आप इस play में देखेंगे. Right? चलिए, let us begin scene 1. First scene जो खुलता है वो. It is late night. Tenali is sleeping in his house. Suddenly, his wife Mangamma wakes up. You can see in the picture, right? It is a picture of late night and Tenali is sleeping with his wife. Suddenly, the lady Mangamma, what is the name of the wife? Mangamma. Mangamma wakes up and she tells, what does she tells? Mangamma says, getting up from her bed, looking alarmed. Alarmed means is like she is afraid of something, right? She वो डर गई है किसी चीज़ को लेके. Tenali, wake up. Did you hear that noise just now? Tenali says, what noise? Mangamma, whispering. What is whispering? आप लोग जैसे टीचर बोर्ड में क्लास वर्क में लिखवाती हो और आप पीछे पीछे नहीं जो हौले हौले बातें करते, दैट इज नोन एज whispering. So Mangamma whispers, shh, be quiet and try to listen. Tenali says, uh-oh, it sounds like it is coming from the garden. Dear, I'm afraid we might have thieves in our garden. So this play begins with plotting where husband and wife, Tenali Raman and his wife Mangamma are sleeping. She wakes up and she tells her husband that मुझे कोई आवाज़ आ रही है गार्डन में से, आप देखो, आप सुनो. तो first initially when Tenali woke up, he didn't listen any noise, but then later on he realized that yes, there was some noise. So he tells his wife that I'm afraid we might have thieves in our garden. हमारे गार्डन में शायद से चोर है. Right. Next, Mangamma says, thieves. Oh no. What shall we do now? Let us shout aloud and alert the neighborhood. Tenali says, that will scare them away. Mangamma says, yes, this way we will never catch them. They may steal from someone else's house tomorrow. You are famous for your wit and wisdom. Why not you use it now and catch them red-handed? Right? She tells that obviously अगर आप चोर देखते तो आप क्या करते, हम शोर मचाने लगते. तो Mangamma says the same thing. Let us shout and सबको जगा दे, neighborhood को जगा दे. But then this man Tenali Raman, who is famous for his wit, he tells that अगर हम ऐसा करेंगे then they will run away and then they will burgle another house, they will rob another house. So then Mangamma adds that तो आप तो बहुत होशियार है, आप तो बहुत चतुर है. Why don't you think a plan where we can catch these thieves red-handed? Now what is red-handed? हिंदी में अगर आपको पता हो red-handed माने रंगे हाथों पकड़ना, राइट? जब चोरी करते हैं चोर तब रंगे हाथों उनको पकड़ना. सो दैट देन शी टेल्स दैट कि यूज योर ब्रेन, take help of your wit and try to catch them red-handed. Right. Now Tenali says, taking a deep breath, right, as always, let me think of something. Yes, he agrees कि चलो मैं सोच के कुछ बताता हूँ. I will think and I'll let you know. Right. This is the end of scene number 1. साथ साथ में let us underline the hard words. First of all, this is a proper noun, Mangamma, so I'm not making you underline it. Right. Underline alarmed, noise, whispering, might, neighborhood. Neighborhood also very easy. Neighborhood जो आजू बाजू में रहता है वो neighborhood, आस पड़ोस के जो सारी चीज़ें हैं वो. Then steal, wit, red-handed and breathe. Chal. These were the hard words of scene 1. Now this is already almost 15 minutes video. I think you'll be getting bored if I'll extend this video more. So आज इतना ही रखेंगे. Tomorrow I'll again start with scene number 2. So what would be today's homework? Today's homework is exercise number 2 on page 83. Plus write hard words of page 85 in the notebook. Am I clear? There are two homeworks. One is exercise number 2 on page 83 and other one is write the न्यू वर्ड्स. यहाँ पे जो अंडरलाइन किए हैं न्यू वर्ड्स, या आपके हिसाब से इट्स फाइन इफ़ यू आर नॉट अंडरलाइनिंग दिस वर्ड्स, विच एवर वर्ड्स यू फाइंड हार्ड टू रीड आर नोन एज न्यू वर्ड्स और हार्ड वर्ड्स. सो अंडरलाइन द न्यू वर्ड्स एंड write the new words of page 85 in your notebook. Is that clear? Chaliye. This is Disha ma'am signing off till we meet tomorrow. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye bye.